Hey gearheads, buckle up. We're about to take a wild ride through the coolest inventions that'll transform your trusty pickup truck from a rugged workhorse into a tricked-out beast of burden, and maybe even a party palace. First up, let's ditch the struggle of climbing into the bed with the Limitless tailgate step. This ingenious contraption folds down to a sleek 40mm profile when not in use, but with a single flick of the wrist, it unfolds into a sturdy platform that can handle a whopping 120 kilogram. Bonus points for doubling as a tailgate extender, giving you that extra bit of space for hauling the goods. All this for a cool $895s? Sign us up. Feeling fancy? The Tune M1 camper is here to turn your truck into a plush glamping palace. This lightweight, 163 kilograms lightweight, pop-up paradise boasts 360-degree views, dreamy ambient lighting, and a mattress so comfy that you'll be begging for flat tires just to stay in bed. And with customization options galore, you can tailor this bad boy to your wildest camping dreams. Starting at a cool $113,000, it's not exactly budget-friendly, but hey, who can put a price on luxurious wilderness naps? Short bed blues got you down. The load sheet is your knight in shining aluminum. This simple yet effective solution adds either 1.6 or 2.4 meters of extra cargo space without the hassle of permanent bed extenders. When you're done hauling lumber like a lumberjack champion, it folds neatly under the rear seat, keeping things tidy. The 2.4 version will set you back a mere $210, making it a steal for space-challenged truck owners. Let's get medieval on those fragile taillights with the Pauldrons taillight guards. Crafted from tough aluminum alloy, these nightly accessories deflect errant rocks and rogue shopping carts with ease. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes with a simple bolt-on system. So, ditch the duct tape and broken glass woes for $89 a pair, and let your taillights shine under the armor of protection. Imagine a toolbox on steroids, the size of a small child, and built like a bank vault. That's the StashBox. This steel-reinforced plastic behemoth might not have taken the Kickstarter world by storm, but it certainly made a statement about serious storage. At 132 by 58 by 51 centimeters and weighing a hefty 16 kilograms, it's not exactly for the faint of heart. But for those who need a fortress for their tools and treasures, the StashBox is a beastly option. Tailgating just got a whole lot more civilized with Basecam. This modular tailgate system transforms your truck bed into a relaxation station with comfy seats, a removable cooler that keeps things frosty for 48 hours, and straps for hauling all your picnic gear. At just $150, it's an essential upgrade for any truck-loving social butterfly. So, ditch the plastic lawn chairs and embrace the Basecamp revolution. Let's turn your truck into a mobile disco ball with the Xprite Focal Series light set. For a mere $45, you get 8 LED modules that bathe your truck bed in a kaleidoscope of colors, all controllable from your phone or a remote. Built to last over 50,000 hours and shrug off dust and water like a champ, these lights are the perfect way to add some razzle-dazzle to your next tailgate party. Upgrade your tow hitch game with the ROCKSTAR hitch-mounted mud flaps. These bad boys add extra bumper protection and keep the mud slinging to a minimum, thanks to their thick rubber construction. The 3XL version extends a whopping 23 centimeters beyond your frame, making your truck the envy of all the dirt roads. At $37, it's a small price to pay for keeping your rig looking sharp, even after a muddy adventure. X-High Truck Pack. Say goodbye to climbing. This ingenious drawer system mounts above your truck bed, crafted from robust 3.1 millimeters aluminum for twice the strength of competitors. Accessing your gear has never been easier thanks to 4 to 6 spacious drawers that slide out effortlessly. At $4,800, it's an investment in convenience that'll pay off for years to come. Truck bed topper and camper. Escape the ordinary and turn your truck into a cozy campsite with Dirtbox Overland's upgrades. Choose the sturdy topper version for a truck cab feel, or go full glamping with the tent module camper. Both options boast 12-volt sockets, built-in lighting, and flexible customization for fuel tanks or accessories. The topper starts at $3,400, making your next adventure as comfortable as it is unforgettable. Ditch the struggle and climb with confidence using the Traxion Tailgate Ladder. This sturdy beast handles up to 136 kilograms and extends to 107 centimeters, reaching even the highest truck beds. When not in use, it folds neatly against the tailgate, staying out of your way. At $53, it's a practical solution that'll save you time and frustration. Give your truck the protection it deserves with Flog Bumper's custom beauties. Crafted from 4.7mm and 8mm carbon steel, these bad boys are 27 kilograms heavier than average. But their impact-resistant powder coat finish and meticulous construction mean they can handle anything you throw at them, literally. Starting at $2,750, they're an investment in both style and durability. Buckle up for tow truck evolution. Detroit Reeser Sales takes your trusty steed to the next level with their game-changing low-loader system. The lowest loading angle on the market means even the sleekest sports car glides on effortlessly. And the customization options? Endless. Tailor the loading angle to your heart's desire, then let the 3.6-ton winch and 23-meter cable handle the heavy lifting. This powerhouse platform juggles a whopping 9.5 tons with ease. And to top it off, Detroit Reeser throws in a lifetime warranty for all pins and bushings. Talk about peace of mind. Wheel carrier. Off-road adventurers rejoice. This nifty rack cradles not one, but two spare tires, alongside a 60-liter water tank with a pump for your convenience. But that's not all. A sleek remote control manages the entire system, which also boasts an air compressor, a 2600-watt inverter, and a robust 200-amp battery. From workhorse to adventure palace, this transformation is pure genius. Move over, back aches. Bedslide redefines convenience with a simple pull of a handle. This ingenious system effortlessly glides your cargo towards you, holding up to a ton of weight with ease. Installation takes less than an hour, and it works with trucks from 197 to the present day. At $1,200, it's a game changer for anyone who hauls gear regularly. All right, gearheads. That's just a taste of the amazing inventions waiting to transform your pickup truck. So buckle up, hit the road, and get ready to experience the ultimate in truckin' awesomeness. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share so we can keep bringing more content like this. See you next time.